receive occasional product update, or you can just skip it. So it's your account is created, you will receive an email, so you need to verify. Just verify your account and submit. So it's your account created. So for verification, you need to provide the code what you received in your email. So just check the code and provide it here. So now you need to log in. It's not working. Okay, anyhow, I'm you can log in with any username. Okay, so I just log in with the other, and here you can select it's a student, teacher, working developer, or others, anything. So as a student, you can select student. So also you can how many team members? Just me, or if you want to add collaborator, you can add. So just select and start a new project. Start, so use GitHub Copilot. And I can just skip the personalization or continue with free or pay as well. So it's the dashboard you will get like that. So now we'll discuss. I will discuss just how to create a new repository. So in dashboard, if you go to your dashboard, okay. So here you can go to your profile. So this is your profile. To show you something, it's just a rough randomly created for you. So here for creating repository, you can go to the repository tab and you can create a new, and of course name the repository any whatever you want, like your project name. Of course it should be short, so anything, our project, can name anything. You can add some description, some description. You can add short description. Of course, public is better. It will reach to more people, and add a README always. So you can just edit the README file, all the instruction. So the create repository, then your new repository already created, you will see the README file and you can edit it. Okay, so and how to add your other project file? So you can just add file, upload files. So you can add here code or other things. So choose your file and you can just add file from here, any code if you open it. So of course select commit directory to the main branch, then it will be okay, will be uploaded under the main branch, and you can commit change, then you will see the so air file is added. So you can add other file as well, whatever you need, not only code, also any other file, Excel file, your uh, any data science, data analytics file, dashboard, anything. So this is how we can create our uh, repository. And few things we need to uh, concern about, like so after creating a repository, and also you can add in your profile a README file, which is more lucrative. Your profile, you can add more description. So how to add this? It's very simple. You can just same how we created our repository. So now we can go to our profile also, uh, just our profile. And so for adding, like this is a sample. So your profile will be added, like if you add some README in your profile, then you can add it, the description like that. So for this, you need to just create a repository with the name of your username, and your username is this one. So this is your username. So you can create a README file. It's already created, so it can be so the repository will be same as your username, and then you need to it should be public, and also you need to add a README file when you are creating, and then you need to create a repository. So it's already created here, so I'm not going to create a new one. So I will show you how to edit. So here, after creating the README, you will see this window, and here you can edit your README, and in the edit, you can add some code, which is already here. So we can add this kind of code, and we can edit our name here. So it's just you can edit your name. So if you commit changes, so you will see it's already changed. So all the text you can edit and you can change, and icon will be there. So you can edit your profile like that. And so this is how we can make our profile more interactive, like it will looks like all the description. So now I will describe some insight. So in README, of course, so we need to pin our repository, and also we need to add in README some what are our skills and what we want to actually share with our collaborator and employer. We want to focus our skills, so we need to add in our README. And of course, in your profile, you need to pin the highlighted project, highlighted repository, which is actually more related to your skills, expert skills. And whenever you are trying to, like, if you focus for data analytics job, then of course pin all the project which is relevant to data analytics. But also you can add more repository, like your regular class task project, which is very simple, but you can add it. But a few things you need to think, like whenever you are adding a project, of course, make your project more representing. So some benefits, of course, it's a shared platform, so you can share your all the works globally, and also you can prove your skill with the demonstration to any employee or collaborator. And of course, it's a good impression, and it will create more network. And also few more things. Whenever you are setting up, of course, the profile readme is a uh, good insight. Like you can show your profile more interactive way, and you can add skills and your coding languages. And also when you are creating a professional portfolio, so uh, focus something like documentation. When you are creating a new repository, of course, your README should be more clear and more overview you need to add of your project. So whenever you are creating a new repository and submitting your project, so in a README, you need to describe like prerequisite softwares, prerequisite tools for your project, and how to implement this project step by step. You need to add in your README. So it's a good thing. Then people can easily implement your project. So, and of course, consistency you need to maintain. And whenever you are preparing a project for GitHub, so whatever is your class assignment or any simple task, so maintain few things like commenting in your code and make your project more representable and more uh, organized, then people can easily implement it. And of course, in your profile, try to highlight some tools and framework, and also in a repository, whatever your project you are uploading. So what are the frameworks you used and tools you used? Try to highlight this. And of course, a README file is more important when you are building a profile and list of your major project. You need to pin all the major repository in your profile. And of course, whatever you are focusing for is data analytics, cybersecurity. So pin all the project which is relevant to your uh, goal and your actually main focus major. So, and always try to engage in GitHub, collaborate with others, and go to other profiles and see what they are working and how they showcase their profile, and try to communicate and create your network. And uh, try to be in at least 4 to 6 projects. It's a good thing. And of course, your README whenever you are writing. So think about non-technical audience as well. Like, of course, the generalized summarization, generalized summary you should add in your README file for any project. Then general people can understand, okay, what this project actually you are developed. And some final tips. So consistency, if keep everything updated, always your profile, your repository, try to update your repository day by day if there is any update you developed. And of course it should be more visual, and use a more screenshot and diagram in your readme if you need it for your project. Then it will be more actually self-describable to your audience. And of course, reflect your strength in your profile. So, and try to align with your focused actually skill, which skill you are trying to focus. So your project you are pinning. So of course you should align this. And some final suggestion. So GitHub is try to maintain from your, if you don't have, so try to create your GitHub profile now, and whatever your project, every class you are doing your final group assignment or your regular assignment, if it's any project work or any case study, you can just make it more presentable and put it in your GitHub, and then it will make your profile more actually heavy. So, and pin at least 4 to 6 projects, which is the more relevant to your focused skill. Okay, that's all for everyone. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. So, anyone has any questions? If you don't have any questions, then I can just say goodbye to everyone. And if you need any further help, you can communicate with me through email. Okay, thank you everyone for listening to me. Bye.